My wife's gluten allergic. So, I got her this.
To be fair, we just found out recently.
What's the proper term?
This is new. Celiac.
You're celiac.
I have celiac.
Okay, there you go. The biggest downside to all of this is she's been not complaining, but she's been crying about the fact that she can't have snacks anymore. This box is supposed to be all gluten-free items, delicious, healthy snacks. So I figured we'd go over it and see what's inside. You ready?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Wow.
Wow. Cheetos.
Cheese curls. Gluten-free cheese curls.
Cute.
This weighs like nothing.
I know.
But they're supposed to be healthy, right?
Crispy squares? Is it like... It feels kind of like Rice Krispies
Right,
treats.
I was going to say, I think it's Rice Krispies. Fruit roll airheads.
Yo!
This is gluten-free?
The 90s in me is excited.
I don't see anywhere on here that says gluten-free. But we have to trust it, right?
Yeah. Trust.
Peanuts are gluten-free, more airheads.
I mean, it does say the ingredients. Modified food starch, which is corn syrup. I'm not seeing anything in here that's something I need to watch out for.
What's peanut chews?
I don't know. Popcorn?
Puffed corn. Corn nuts.
Oh, those are yours.
These are mine.
Disgusting.
These are gluten-free.
Oh my god.
Gushers.
These are still made?
Apparently. Chocolate chip granola bar. Funyuns.
Funyuns used to be my favorite.
Well, now they're gonna have to be.
And then I was told that I smelled bad.
Oh, well. I don't care about that.
Liar.
Lay's, Fritos. There's, surprisingly a lot of snacks in here.
Skinny popcorn.
White cheddar, regular, and kettle corn.
Sweet and salty. You can have that one.
Just gonna put that there for now. Do you like trail mix?
Yeah, I don't mind trail mix.
Okay.
You can have one.
Well, I got my own thing coming later.
What? We ordered more stuff?
Chile picante. It's mine too.
More gushers?
Oh my god, the ranch ones, these are the best. I freaking love these.
Energy Supreme Whole Nuts.
Some more of these.
This one will also be yours.
Dope.
Gross. And almonds. Gross.
Almonds?
Peanuts are mine. There's so much stuff in here.
There is. I'm surprised.
More granola bars?
More almonds for me. More of these for me. More gushers.
They gave us so much.
Let's spread it out here. Try to organize it a little bit. Wow. Would you look at that? That is a lot. That's surprisingly a lot. This was like $45. And I feel like...
Just these alone would be $45.
Just these alone.
Right?
I mean, for what you're getting, and knowing that everything here is gluten-free.
Yeah.
I think that's the big takeaway here, is that you can easily eat any of this and not worry about getting sick or getting celiac. I don't know what the term is. I don't know
it's getting
what
sick.
it does.
I
Okay.
mean, for me, I get an upset stomach and I feel nauseous and I have really bad heartburn.
And this is mine. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah?
Are we gonna try some of these?
I want to see what this is, because I feel like this is just a Rice Krispie treat. Oh, but hey, look at this. It says, dedicated facility free from the following common allergies: peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, egg, wheat, and gluten, soy, sesame, fish, and shellfish. This is like the golden snack right here.
Right?
Everybody can eat. Look at that. Everybody can eat this. It's cool.
Yeah.
Want to try it?
It's got broccoli and spinach in it.
Whoa. Oh wait, yeah, ingredients. So Rice Crisps, yeah. Cane juice, sugar, salt, brown rice, vegetable glycerin, water, palm fruit oil,
Rice protein.
broccoli, spinach, shiitake mushrooms, beet, Xanthan gum. I've heard about that one. Vanilla extract. Organic and sustainable. Whoa, does not look like what I expected.
Oh.
It's brown.
It.
Ooh.
It looks like it'd be covered in honey instead of marshmallow.
I was gonna say, you know what it smells like? It smells like the kind of like Honey Nut Cheerios almost.
Really?
But it smells healthy.
Mmm.
It smells like it has like protein powder
whey
in it.
Powder?
Yeah, whey powder.
I mean, it tastes like a Rice Krispie treat.
I don't have enough Rice Krispies to like say it's super different, but I could see myself eating these, stealing them from your box. Nice. Any final thoughts?
I like it. And I'm excited to have snacks to bring to work with me that I can actually eat.
I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out yourselves. Really cool. If you like have gluten allergies and stuff, I guess.
Or even just regular other allergies. Like this brand seems like they make some pretty good stuff that's
yeah, the make good
safe
stuff.
for a lot of people.
Is all of their stuff the same?
Yeah.
Yeah. They'll say the same thing. Dedicated factory free from the following common allergies.
Even their like chocolate chip granola bar says that it's dairy free, so I wonder. Unsweetened cocoa butter. So yeah, they try to make sure that it's safe for everyone. I like it.
Dope. Can't wait to try the next one.
Peace.
Peace.